Hey all, my name is Kurt. Welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. Today I want to share with you a brand new cocktail that Trent and I came across just a couple of weeks ago. We've affectionately named it the Smokey Bean. It utilizes the smoky agave spirit Mezcal, but it also includes a coffee liqueur. I love this cocktail, and I don't even like coffee. It is so good. Before we get started though, if you would please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We'd certainly appreciate that. After you've done that, reach over, hit that notification bell, and that way you don't miss a single episode of the show, and feel free to leave your comments below. All right, let's get started building the Smokey Bean. I'm going to start out with a ½ ounce of agave syrup. There's just something right about agave syrup and an agave based spirit such as this Mezcal here. After that, I'm going to pour in another ½ ounce of this real mango puree. Feel free to use whatever mango puree you have. I found this at our local liquor store, and the brand name is Real. Works great for us. So I'm going to pour in ½ ounce of the mango puree. Once we have that in the tin, I'm going to pour in a full ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then we move on to the spirits of our cocktail. Again, we're going to be using, like I said, we're going to be using Mezcal. Today I'm using Del Maguey Vida. This is a mixed cocktail with a lot of different ingredients. You don't need to use an expensive Mezcal. You can rack up a big price tag on a nice bottle of Mezcal, but for a mixed cocktail like this bottle of Vida is probably $32, $34, somewhere in that range. I'm going to pour in 1 full ounce of Mezcal. Nice smoky richness from this. And the same amount for our coffee liqueur. I'm using Mr. Coffee. Feel free to use the coffee liqueur of your choice. Again, I'm going to pour in 1 full ounce. And that's it. That is all the ingredients of this cocktail. I'm going to get some ice in this tin, and we're going to give it a shake. All right, that'll do. We got a nice frosty tin, nice and cold. Now what I want to do here, you can probably serve this cocktail in many different ways. You can do the shake and dump it right into your cocktail glass, but I've got a beautiful clear rock of ice in a double rocks glass, and I'm just going to strain right into that glass. Once I've got that, I've got this beautiful dehydrated lime wheel. We're just going to place that right on top of that block of ice. And that's what we call the Smokey Bean. That is really good. And behind the camera, my lovely wife is shaking her head because she doesn't like it. But she's not a Mezcal fan. That's that. But for me, you get a lot of this, you get plenty of sweetness from the agave syrup. The mango shines through nicely. You get the citrus in your lime juice, of course. But the true stars of this particular cocktail is this Mezcal. You get the nice, rich, smoky flavor off that Mezcal. And then the coffee really shines through too. And I truthfully, I don't drink coffee. I really don't like coffee. But this particular cocktail just works. It is so well balanced, and the flavors are just so good. It works, and I like it. Surprising, isn't it? Thanks for watching today. Certainly appreciate it. Give this cocktail a try at home, the Smokey Bean. I'm sure you're going to like it. As always, we ask you to please drink responsibly, and then we'll see you next time right down here with me in the good old basement bourbon bar. See ya.